Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, I am going to show you how to make this square. You are going to learn how to do chains, double crochet, half double crochet and popcorn stitch through this square. I am going to use 3 colors. I am going to do a square with 2 colors and another one with 3 colors. So, for this, we will need yarn of 3 colors. These are 4-ply yarns, a pair of scissors, and I am going to use a hook of 2.5 mm for this project. At first, I am going to show you how to make this square with 3 colors. You can make another square with 2 colors following the same pattern. So at first, this is slip knot on my hook, chain 3. Go back to the first chain, insert the hook in, pull through both the loops as a slip stitch. Chain 3, which counts as a double crochet, yarn over, insert the hook into the ring, pull through 2, pull through 2, double crochet 2, double crochet 3. We have to do 12 double crochet including these 3 stitches to complete the round. So complete the round and we will meet again when the round would be complete. When we completed 12 double crochet into the ring, join the stitches into the third chain of the first stitch with slip stitch. Now the round is complete. I am going to cut the yarn from here because I am going to join yarn of color B to the pattern. So take the yarn of color B, pull through, chain 1, 2, 3, which counts as a double crochet. On the top of the same stitch, double crochet 2, 3 on the top of the same stitch, 4 on the top of the same stitch. So there are 4 double crochet. Now go back to the first stitch, pull the yarn, chain 2. First petal is complete and this is called popcorn stitch. Again on the top of the next stitch, 4 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pull the yarn a little long, go back to the first stitch, insert the hook in and pull the yarn like that, chain 2. Second petal is complete and this is popcorn stitch. 2 petals are complete. We have to complete 10 more petals to complete the round. So complete the round and we will meet again when the round would be complete. When these 12 petals are complete, chain 2. Now join these stitches into this chain space of 2 with slip stitch. Cut the yarn from here. I am going to join yarn of color C to the pattern now. So this is slip knot on my hook. Into the chain space of 2, insert the hook and pull through 2. Join the yarn with slip stitch. Chain 3, which counts as a double crochet 2, double crochet 3, chain 2 for chain space. Yarn over into the same chain space of 2, double crochet 1, 2, and 3. This is the first corner of the square. Yarn over into the next chain space of 2. In between these 2 petals, half double crochet 1. Yarn over, insert the hook into the chain space of 2, pull through. There are 3 loops on the hook. Pull through all the 3. Half double crochet 2, yarn over, insert the hook into the chain space of 2, pull through. There are 3 loops on the hook, pull through all the 3. 3 half double crochet into the next chain space of 2, half double crochet 1, 2 and 3. Yarn over into the next chain space of 2, double crochet 1, 2 and 3. Chain 2 for chain space, into the same chain space of 2, double crochet 1, 2 and 3. Now into next 2 chain spaces we have to do 3 half double crochet into each chain space of 2. So 3 half double crochet here, and 1, 2 and 3 half double crochet here. Follow the same pattern and complete the square. We will meet again when all these 4 sides would be completed. The square is going to look like this when it will be completed. You see, at each corner I did 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Then I did 3 half double crochet into the chain space of 2, again 3 half double crochet into the next chain space of 2. For next corner of the square, 3 double crochet, chain 2 and 3 double crochet. Now the square is complete, and the size of the square is for about 5 centimeters. You can make another square with 2 colors. Now for the travel utility bag that I am going to make with these 2 kinds of squares, I will need 6 squares with these 2 colors and 6 squares with these 3 colors. So complete making 12 squares, and we will meet again when all these 12 squares would be completed. When these squares are complete, I am going to put them in this way. For one side of the travel bag, and you see there are 6 squares for the first side or the topmost side of the bag, and this is the second side of the travel accessory bag. Now I am going to show you how to join all these squares. So for joining them, take yarn needle and yarn of white color, and now I'm going to show you how to begin joining these squares. So join the squares in this way, and we will meet again when all these 6 squares would be joined. After all these squares are joined together, and this is the rectangle, when all these squares are joined, I'm going to begin edging for this rectangle. So join the yarn with slip stitch, chain 2, which counts as a half double crochet. Insert the hook into the chain space of 2, pull through all the 3. Half double crochet 2, half double crochet 3, chain 1 for chain space. Yarn over into the same chain space of 2, half double crochet 1, 2 and 3. Now on the top of each stitch I am going to do half double crochet, and for each corner of the rectangle we have to do 3 half double crochet, chain 1 and 3 half double crochet. So complete the round by doing half double crochet on the top of each stitch across the rectangle, and for each corner of the rectangle into each chain space of 2, 3 double crochet, chain 1 and 3 double crochet. So complete the round, and we will meet again when the round would be completed. After the round is complete, I am going to do slip stitch 1 on the top of the 4th stitch, slip stitch 2 on the top of the next stitch, and into the chain space of 1 slip stitch 3. Now take the other part for the travel bag. Now this is the front part and this is the back part. I'm going to join both the parts together. So insert the hook into the chain space of 1, pull through 2. Insert the hook into next 2 stitches of both the parts, pull through 2. Again into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through 2. Again into both the stitches of both the parts, pull through 2. Join 1, 2 and 3 ends following the same pattern, and we will meet again when these 3 ends would be joined. Now I am going to join the zipper with simple stitches. So take needle and thread and join the zipper on the mouth of this travel bag with simple stitches. So complete sewing zipper on the mouth of this travel bag, and we will meet again when zipper would be added to the mouth of this bag. After completing sewing the zipper on the mouth of this travel bag, I made this I-cord for the bag, and for this I-cord I took yarn of green color and I fold the yarn in this way, and now this is the way to make I-cord for the bag. Then sew it on a side of the travel bag and your travel bag is complete. You can use this travel bag for gifting purposes, or you can keep your crochet accessories, your traveling accessories while traveling, or you can keep your mobile accessories with mobile in this pouch. Thank you so much.